Hello everyone, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining me again today on another one of our soapy time adventures. So, we are going to be doing a lot of remakes because I had this big wholesale order that I've been working on. I started working on it months ago, and then the opening of this location was delayed by months and months and months and months and months. So close to, let's see, 8 months, 9 months. And the product that I made, I sold most of it. So I need to remake all this stuff again. So I apologize if this is something you guys have seen before. This soap is one that I've actually had on the channel. I've actually made it quite a few times. I don't really stray from the colors. I think I'll do a hanger swirl today in it using my hanger tool. This is a hanger tool that my husband, oh, wow, almost lost that. Good thing there's no lie in it. But this is a hanger tool my husband made. He welded it for me. It fits it doesn't fit exactly. I wish he'd made it just a little bit bigger, but it's enough that it works okay. I have tried using the gear ties that you see on other YouTube channels that other soapers make, and I don't like them. I don't like, they just are very flimsy to me. I've got the gear ties that were recommended by, who was it? Oh my gosh, now I've lost my train of thought. Ellen Ruth soap, and she really liked it. I used it, and it was ridiculous. Mainly because my soap was seizing on me. And that was for other reasons where it was seizing on me, besides the fragrance oil was, you know, very fast accelerating. So my husband made me this. I love it. One day if I go to when I go to larger soap molds, I'll have him make me a larger one. But until then, we're going to keep with that one. Anyways, we are making a lavender eucalyptus. So I've already got my lavender and eucalyptus essential oil blended together, and this is 100% pure lavender and eucalyptus essential oil that I get from New Directions Aromatics, and of course I'll leave links down below. And then I'm going to be using Andy the Money from Mad Micas, as well as Grape Nehi, and I've already mixed this a little bit in, dispersed a little bit in some oil from here before I put in my additives. The additives we added to this are goat's milk powder, because all the soaps for this wholesale order were one of the requirements was that it had goat's milk in it. So, and pretty much that was the only request. So that it all had goat's milk in it. And I've got my kaolin clay and my colloidal oats in here as well, and they've been sitting for a few minutes. I had to reheat up my oils. We're at 107 because I did these oils, let's see, I did a master batch of oils, I guess 2 days ago is when I did it. So they're pretty cold at room temperature, because down here my thermostat says it's 66. So, so room temperature usually gets to about 70. With my lye water, I have added in, the reason why it looks kind of a little funky is that I add sugar to this, so it does discolor it just a little bit. And then I also added some sodium lactate, which just helps harden the bar and helps get it out of the mold. We are going to go ahead and get started. I actually made this batch a little too big. On all of my batches lately I went about almost 10 ounces too much on the oil before I calculated it. So I've been putting them in some molds, and we'll just use them for our own or give them as gifts. So I have these cute molds. It's, what is it, a squirrel or a chipmunk, an owl, and a fox head. And I'll be putting the extras in there. I also have some soap. Of course I have soap. But I also have some heart molds. This was from our farmer's market that I had left over. And we're making lots of soap today. So, I think we've gone over everything. We're going to do the hanger swirl. Yeah. So, without further ado, let's get soapy.